In this video, we are going to see how you can find, edit or make any corrections to the previous transactions if you have made a mistake. So if this is the first video you are watching on our channel and you want to follow the complete training, you can find the playlist link in the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now we have entered couple of transactions. Let's say that I want to extract an old record, an old invoice or an old payment. So there are two ways of doing that. Actually, three ways of doing that. First way is, if you know the customer against which you want to find the particular invoice, you will simply go in customer section and select that particular customer. Let's say Abu Bakr. As soon as I select Abu Bakr, I'll see all the transactions associated with this particular customer here. So we can either double click and open that. If we want to change it, we can make the changes directly, and if we want to delete it, I'll go to main and then we can delete this transaction altogether. But if I don't know about this customer and I only know the transaction reference, for example, I want to find sale order number 55 directly. So how can I do that? I'll go to sales order, and instead of just moving to the previous sales order, we have to move or jump many previous sales order in order to go exactly to order number 55. So to avoid this, I'll just use find option. With find option, you can enter any customer and it will find all the records of that customer. And we can mention a particular date or period. We can find any document from amount. We can find a particular document with a particular sale order number. In this case, I'll write the sale order number and then find it. See, it directly finds that particular sale order. So this is the quick way of doing that. One other way of finding the document is the search option. To search any document, I'll just type 55 here and press enter. See, it directly finds sales order. If it doesn't find it, then you can just press update search information and it will show you the updated results. You can open it to verify. This is the same sale order. So these are the ways of finding and editing the already entered documents.